today for me. Okay, the first thing we need is salad. Now, cauliflower, soy sauce, carrots, chicken, and mushrooms, and some onions. Next, we're gonna chop our veggies. Now next, mushrooms. Next up, we're going to chop the carrots. Next, turn it on to medium heat. Now add some of this. Now we're gonna add the meat now. Now time to chop it. Three tablespoons of soy sauce. 1, 2, 3. Next, add the meat to brown. Next, add the vegetables. Now mix it. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Fill up your lettuce. Let's take it back now. I hope you have a home. Bye. Give me a huge thumbs up. Click the subscribe button. Bye. What's this actually? What's this?
Garlic.
What's that?
Ground beef.
Okay. Hold on, no. We're chopping this. Okay.